Hello friends, welcome to my channel Physics by Anuj. Today we have to discuss about electric dipole. So let's start it. So the definition of electric dipole is a combination of two charges plus q and minus q separated by a small distance constitutes an electric dipole, which is saying that the combination of two charges minus q and plus q separated by a distance d possesses an electric dipole. So the value of dipole is q into d. So this is the value of dipole if dipole plus q and minus q are separated at a distance d. So p vector is equal to q into d vector. This is the dipole moment. This is known as dipole moment. Okay. Also, we have to find electric potential due to a dipole. So electric potential due to a dipole in its this position is known as axial position or head-on position, and this position is known as equatorial position. So potential due to electric dipole at axial or head-on position will be Kp upon r square. Also at equatorial position the value of dipole is 0. Why this value of dipole is 0? Then minus q. If we write potential due to a minus q, then the potential due to a minus q is kq by r. Charge is minus, then we put minus sign against. Okay, and due to a plus q the potential becomes kq by r, and we cancel this potential and we find there is a potential becomes 0. Also in axial position there is a potential kp by r square. Okay, at any general point, let us say theta angle from dipole, the potential value is kp cos theta by r square v theta. Okay, at any general point, if we put theta is equal to 0 in this equation, then what we will get? We will get the potential value kp by r square, which is same as axial position, because if this theta is 0, this is in the direction. Okay, now we have to find electric field due to a dipole. Electric field due to a dipole at axial position, this is the axial position, also this is a equatorial position. Electric field at axial position due to a dipole is 2 kp by r cube, and at equatorial position the value becomes minus kp by r cube. Why this happens? देखिए, माइनस क्यू नेगेटिव से टुवर्ड्स होती है, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड पॉजिटिव से अवे होती है. सो रिजल्टेंट इन दोनों के बीच में आएगा. ठीक है, इन दोनों के बीच में रिजल्टेंट आएगा, तो रिजल्टेंट के हेल्प से हम माइनस के पी बाई आर क्यूब हमारा आंसर आ जाता है इफ़ वी फर्दर कैलकुलेटेड. ओके, एट एनी आर्बिट्रेरी एंगल थीटा द डाइपोल मोमेंट बिकम्स the value of electric field becomes, देखिए, they are two positions which is radial position and theta position. The value of electric field at radial position is 2 kp cos theta by r cube, and at theta position, or you can say that at equatorial position, kp sin theta by r cube, theta के direction r cube. यू हैव आप कह सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे माइनस क्यों नहीं आया. यहाँ पे माइनस इसलिए नहीं आया क्योंकि हमने डायरेक्शन लिए, देखिए थीटा कैप लिए डायरेक्शन. थीटा कैप मीन्स इसकी डायरेक्शन में, और हमारे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड पहले इधर की डायरेक्शन में ली थी, इसलिए माइनस लगाया था. थीटा कैप की डायरेक्शन में नहीं थी. अगर थीटा कैप की डायरेक्शन में लेंगे तो हम यहाँ माइनस नहीं लगाएंगे, ठीक है। ओके, सो ई नेट, इफ वी फाइंड द ई नेट, देन ई नेट इज इक्वल टू ई आर स्क्वायर प्लस ई थीटा का होल स्क्वायर बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम। ई नेट इज इक्वल टू के पी बाय आर क्यूब अंडर रूट में 1 प्लस 3 कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा। दिस इज आल्सो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर्मूला, ई नेट, due to a dipole at any arbitrary angle. Okay, also tan alpha, this is the alpha angle made by e theta and er. So tan alpha is equal to e theta by er, which is tan theta by 2. This is also most important result from this discussion, electric field discussion. Okay, now we have to come on next topic, which is torque on an electric dipole placed in electric field. So we have to find torque on an electric dipole placed in electric field. So what is the formula of torque? The formula of torque is F into perpendicular distance between them. F into perpendicular distance between them. So let us say that is the minus q charge and this is a q charge. This is the electric field in this direction. So force positive से away F1, नेगेटिव के टूवर्ड्स, बिकॉज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इन डायरेक्शन पॉजिटिव से अवे होगा, नेगेटिव के टूवर्ड्स होगा। ओके, ठीक है। सो दिस इज एल एल मीन्स टोटल लेंथ इज 2L एंड परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस, व्हाट इज द परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस? इफ दिस इज थीटा, दिस इज L, this is L sin theta, this is L cos theta. So the perpendicular distance becomes 2L sin theta and 2L cos theta. So 2L sin theta. So torque become QE into 2L sin theta and QE 2L becomes PE sin theta. So torque is equal to PE sin theta. PE sin theta can be also written as P cross E. Again, we also remember the value of potential energy. Potential energy can also be written as minus P dot E, dot product of potential magnetic dipole and electric field, which is minus PE
like,
cos
subscribe
theta. This is the
my
formula
channel.
of electric field. So subscribe my channel. Thank you.